Welcome to my channel, it's Madalena. Today I'm going to show you how to create a 90s twisted hairstyle. Please like, subscribe and follow me on Instagram. And if you have any questions, put them down below and I'm going to be very happy to reply to all of them. So this idea came to me when 2 days ago a client of mine came in the salon with a picture of herself in the late 90s, and she had a beautiful iconic twisted hairstyle and she just wanted a more modern variation of it. So I was like, that's great, let's do it. So today I'm just going to show you how to create that twisted hairstyle that was so popular in the 90s. This hairstyle was actually worn by young individuals whenever they were going to a party, a special event, or even in a casual outings. For the 90s twisted hairstyle, I'm gonna section the hair from ear to ear, and I'm actually gonna separate the back, because we're not gonna work with the back. Is gonna be mainly at the front here in the crown area. This 90s hairstyle is very it gives you the vibe of like creativity and joy, and it's really nice. So I have just sectioned the back and I'm actually going to loosely plait it. That's it, so I don't have to worry about it. What I'm going to use for this hairstyle is, it's called Super Glue from Kevin Murphy. This is a water-soluble gel. It's got quite an interesting texture as well. But what it does, it helps to hold the hairstyle, and also it creates shine and smoothness throughout the hairstyle. So that's what we're going to use now. And I'm obviously using my pintail comb, and I'm going to have a few elastics as well. Alright, so I'm going to section the hair at the front. So each individual section is going to be twisted. And then, so that's my first section, my second one, my third. You want to make sure that they're quite the same width, so, or the same amount of hair. Right, okay, so this is my fourth section, all the way to the back. There. So I'm going to have like 4 different sections. I'm going to start with the first one here. And I'm going to add a little bit of product. And I'm only going to put it at the roots really. And that's where everything happens. So I'm just going to twist the roots really nice. So you can, if you don't want to put product on, that's fine, that as well. I just find it's easier to manage the hair and to twist it. So you want to make sure that the hair is all brushed out, no knots. So I'm just twisting the hair here at the front, and as I'm moving up, I'm taking a little bit of hair from the underneath. So I'm pinching the hair and moving and twisting, pinching and twisting as I move up. Right, so what I'm doing now, I'm just going to secure it with a clear elastic. And there you go. I'm going to go on the second row. I'm going to put the product in. Brush it through so the product distributes a little bit. I'm going to take my first section. I'm just going to twist it a little bit, and then as I go, I grab a little bit from the underneath. Grab a little bit of hair from the underneath So I'm pinching and twisting. And then I'm just going to secure it with a clear elastic. In that time, it was really popular to use butterfly clips at the end of the twist, so that was really, really popular. My third section. I'm going to use my pintail comb to create a really clean section. The back of the hair, obviously you can wear it straight, curly. It works both ways, it doesn't really matter. Or you can put it even in a bun if you really want to. And then my last section, I'm just going to put the product in. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you're going to have a lot of fun recreating this retro look.